it's your girl Kiri and I am back for another video. So today I just want to do a quick review.
I feel like I say that all the time, but it's never quick.
This is on the Benefit Feathered and Full Brows Kit.
So I actually purchased this at Sephora. They were having a special at the time, and I think this retails for like $34. I'll put the real price.
Ended up getting it for $20. So I said, oh my god, it's a steal. Let me go get it. At the time they had 3 different shades, I think a 1, a 3, and a 5. I did get it in the shade number 3, so let's open it.
In this kit, it contains the Precisely Brow Pencil in shade 3, the Gimme Brow in shade 3, the 24-hour Brow Setter, and Shaping Stencils for an expert personalized brow shape. I know I bought something similar before, but I don't think it's the Feathered and Full Brows. I forgot which one it was.
Oh, I think I got the one that has a little like pomade or gel, which I hated because it dried so quickly and did not last me forever, and ever since then I've just become a pencil type of girl. So this is the kit.
It also came with stencils in the other one, and I don't really use it. If you are someone who's pretty new to doing eyebrows, this is definitely helpful for you. So you get 2 different ones. It tells you what type of look you want to do, and one is for like left eyebrow and the other one's for the right. And so you just put them in here, and then you copy it, and then you go from there.
But I've never used this. It's not really my thing. I just kind of go based off my actual shape and go from there, and yeah.
And here you've got this little paper that has, I guess, directions
on how to use it, little tips, doing feather-like strokes. We all know how to do eyebrows.
Gimme Brow actually works in giving more volume, apparently. So if you have like sparse eyebrows, this helps add more little hairs. And then the 24-hour Brow Setter is more of like a clear liquid to help just set your brows.
Let's start with a pencil. Okay, so here is where the pencil comes out. Let's see how much they have.
If it falls, I'm going to cry.
Okay, I'm not even gonna risk it, y'all. It's 0.08 grams.
So let's do a swatch. I have heard some reviews of people saying like it fell off and so they hate it. That's why I didn't go all the way. I was so scared that it's gonna fall off and I'm not even gonna get to review it.
Let's try it here.
This looks pretty good to what I usually use.
I like it. I like the color. This one is the Gimme Brow, and I think this is like a smaller size of it, but this one has a 3.0 grams in shade 3. I did hear from one of the beauty advisors that
if you already have good brows, okay, and you have those days where you just want to like feather it out and volume it and you don't want to do the pencil and want to skip on that, that's fine, and you could just apply this and it's going to be more natural looking. But most people do both.
And then this one is the Brow Setter. So it's more of like a, let me show you, clear liquid. As you can see, I already have all my makeup done except for my eyebrows, which was hard for me because I usually always start my makeup by doing my eyebrows first. So now let's do the demo.
I'm pretty nervous. I forgot to show you that this side has a spoolie, which, you know, who the heck makes eyebrow pencils that has no spoolie? Because that thing is so important. Right. Just gonna go for the leg strokes. Okay, this mirror is way too zoomed. It's kind of bothering me. Different, you know, people do their eyebrows differently. Some people like to start at the end. There's days that I do that, and then other days that I just start in the front. Kind of depends.
I'm gonna switch mirrors because that one is just jacked up. Okay, it was okay, better. The other one is like way too zoomed that it's hard to do any shape. Do not use them, seriously.
Because it just gives you a false sense of how things look, and then you zoom out and you're like, oh crap, it's bad. And I do want to apologize that I haven't cleaned my eyebrows, so they're a little bit messy.
Oh, I love that. Okay, one thing that I hate usually is that when the tip is so thick that it's hard for me to make it look defined, but with this one it's thin enough for it to be like really on point, if you know what I mean.
So now let's just do the other side. This is another reason why you want to do your eyebrows before the rest of your makeup, because it's so hard to do it when like all your foundation and everything is on, and also your lashes keeps getting in the way.
Oh my god, it's creamy and it's so easy to apply. It's beautiful. The color's perfect. Oh my gosh, I am obsessed. Okay, let's try that.
Gimme Brow to make it more feathered. Yeah, this is the one that has a tint. You just apply it with the hair, the direction of the hair growth. I can see how it adds a little bit of fibers.
Can you see a difference? I feel it. Feels kind of tight. Okay, let me let that dry a little bit and then I'll set it. And this is the setter so that it stays on for a long time. Okay. Wow. I feel like I'm probably not going to be doing all three every single day just because this is a lot of work. But man, it sure makes it look really pretty, huh? So I think most of the time I'm probably just going to do the pencils and then one of these. Either set it or do the Gimme Brow. There's a lot of steps. Maybe on special occasions I'll make sure to do all of them.
But for the most part, I'm probably just going to do this and head out the door. Or if I want to be a little extra, or if it's going to be windy or something, then I'll set it.
Or if I overplucked and need it to be a little bit more full looking, then I'll do the Gimme Brow. So now I totally understand this whole brave over benefits brows. The brow game is honestly legit. This was definitely like one of the best deals ever because this pencil alone is like $24 or 20 something. So for me to have gotten this whole thing for 20 is such a steal.
Even if it wasn't for 20 and it was like 30 something, it's still a steal because you get these included with it. The other one that was also good that I really wanted was the kit that had 2 of the pencils for like $29, which is like for $5 more. You would have gotten 2.
But they didn't have any more of my shades, so that's why I went with this one. Okay, so for my overall thoughts, I think it's pretty self-explanatory. I don't think I need to go to the Sephora website to explain what this kit is. It's to give you feathered and full brows, and it comes with 3 things. Again, the pencil, 24-hour brow setter, and the Gimme Brow Volumizer.
Oh, I forgot, and also the stencils, which is totally not my thing.
But other than that, I think it was amazing. I am absolutely obsessed, and I think this was such a steal. So I am going to give this a 9 out of 10. I do love it. I just wish instead of the stencil that I got something else in it, like maybe the highlighter. That would have been the perfect kit for me.
Other than that, I think it's such a good steal, so I can't even really complain. This is awesome.
I love the color, I love the shade, I love, like, I think I'm pretty obsessed with this pencil now. It's probably gonna be my favorite. It's so creamy. It's such a perfect shade for me. It's not too dark and it's not too light either, and I love how it glides on and it doesn't take a lot of effort. And then ultimately it's so easy. It's so much easier than the e.l.f. because the e.l.f. was kind of thick and this one is really fine. I was able to get that really defined look. As you can see, I don't think I have much else to say. So if you have any more questions, comment it down below, hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you for some more.
No, I'm never gonna get this video done. Can you hear my kid and my husband?